Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will keep studying Chinese. And here we are. 他们一起看书. 他们 means they. But here we see 她 mean it means she. So here we understand they are all girls. 他们一起 together. Can means read here. 书 means book. They are reading book together. 我们要关门了. Woman means we. 要 here means need. 关 means close. 门 means door. So we need to close door. 我们是姐妹. Woman, we. 姐妹 here siblings. For example, we are two people, and I am the elder sister, and she is my younger sister. So I can say 我们是姐妹. 您和我们一起吃吧. 您 means you, but polite you. 和 and 我们 we 一起 together. 吃 means eat. We together eat together. We eat together. 他们是来这边喝水的. Here there is a structure 是 this sentence. This sentence meaning and 他们来这边喝水. This sentence meaning is same. So first translate this sentence. 他们是来这边喝水的 means they are who. 来 means come. 这边 means here. This way. 喝 means drink. 水 means water. So they came here to drink water. 智慧他们做的非常慢. 智慧 is a measure word. 智慧measure word for time. 智慧 means at this time. 他们 they are all girls. 做 means walk. But here how they walk 非常 much. 慢 means slow. Much slower. So okay. This time they walk so slowly. We can translate like this. 请你帮帮我们. 请 means please. 你 you. 帮 means help. 我们 we. Here us. Please help us. 请你帮帮我们. 我们去找找他吧. 我们 we. 去 means go. 找 means look for. 他 means he. So we will go to look for him. 是我 is me. Yeah, it is me. 是我们 it is woman. It is we. So for example, if somebody came to the classroom, so 谁是大卫? He asked 谁是大卫? Who is 大卫? You can say 是我. It is me. 好 Okay, 我们想做什么就做什么. It's a structure and it's a very useful structure. I hope you can learn it. 我们 we 想 means want. 做 means do. 什么 what. So here it's a sentence. 我们想做什么. What we are wanna do. So 就 just 做什么吧. 做 again do 什么 what. This sentence meaning is you do whatever you want. Okay, 我们想做什么就做什么. For example, you go wherever you want. How can we say? For example, 你们想去哪儿就去哪儿. I'm saying again. 你们想去哪儿就去哪儿 means you go wherever you want. Here 我们想做什么就做什么. We do whatever we like to do. 爸爸妈妈在等你们过年了. 爸爸妈妈 father and mother 在等你们 while waiting you. 过年 means celebrate New Year. So My father and mom celebrated New Year past the New Year while waiting you. So here we understand 님은 you probably late for New Year. 님은要什么? Yam here want. 님은要什么? What do you want? Here again the same structure. 机会给你们什么? 会 means will, 给 means give, 你们有什么? 要什么? Again here 什么? So I will give you whatever you want. I'm translating again. 你们要什么机会给你们什么 whatever whatever. Okay, I will give you here. I will give you whatever you want. 他们十分会口渴。他们 they are 十分 means very. 口渴 means thirsty. They are very thirsty. 跟我们做吧 means follow us. 跟with 我们 us 做 means walk. So walk with us. Or you can say follow us. For example, if you wanna say follow me, you can say 跟我做。你们好 hello 好的我们马上就去好的 okay 我们 we 马上 immediately 就去 okay we will go we will leave immediately 我们马上做吧 same meaning here we will leave immediately 他们就这样做了 they are 做 means do 这样 means like this they are they did like this we can say 好 means okay 你们拿去吧拿 means take 去 means go so you take it and go 他们有一个儿子 they 有 means have 一个 one 儿子 means son they have one son 我们看吧 we come means look let us look we look at it it's 我们的多少9分多少 again here 9 structure 我们 we the has several meanings for example we can use the to hit 我打你 I hit you beat you and we use the while playing for example basketball the lunch you playing basketball here I understand the means play 多少 means how much or how much time we can consider like that so from here divide separate 多少 so we will separate how much we will play we can translate this sentence like this 我和你们一起去我I 你们 you 一起 we together 我和你们一起去 live go 我们去也会得到的我们会去过也 means also 会 will here 得到 means get obtain so we will go and obtain we can say it like this 他们就这么做了他们 they just 这么 like this 做了 they did like this 这么 and 这样 is almost same meaning 我们快 but if you see a adjective for example 这么漂亮 or 那么漂亮 means that good so good or so beautiful for example 她那么漂亮 means she is very beautiful but if we use 做 and verb here so like this did like this you can translate it like this 我们快去告诉他吧我们 we 快 means quickly fast 去 means go 告诉 means tell 他 he so we quickly go and go to tell him 다은坏.坏means bad. She is very bad. 회칠러 님은. 회 will. 칠 means eat. 님은 you. She will eat you. She is so bad. She will eat you. 我们正要找她. woman we. 正 here 正 and 正在 make the sentence present continuous tense, and it has also a meaning just. With just, 야 means want, 자 means look for, 타 him. So we just want to look for him. 他们做了会的. So here this 做 is 工作. I think you all know that word means work, but the only 做 has meaning do, make. 回答 means answer. So 做回答 also we can say answer, make an answer. So they answered. 他们做了回答. 你们过来帮帮我. 过来 means come. You, 你们 you. 过来 come. 帮 sorry, 帮 help. 我 me. So you come and you come to help me. 出来吧. 出来 also come. 孩子们 means children. Come, children. 我们还是会过吧. 我们 we, 还是 here, still also we can say. 回 means return. 过 means 国家 country. 回国 means return to our own country. So we still or we can say return our country. 他们一路走去. 他们 they, 로 means road. 이루 means on the same road or straight road. 走去 means go. They are going on the road, on the same road. We can say. how means okay. 我们跟你去. We are 去 go. What? 跟你 with you. We will go with you. Or we can say we will follow you. 我们跟你去. Or 我们跟你走 also. Okay. Mama们 走了. Here it's interesting. Mama means mother, but mama们 means they are, but they are all mom. They all have kids. 走了 they left. Moms left. 慢慢来. Mom means slow. Slowly came. 孩子们 children slowly came. Don't run. 你们先上去吧. 你们 you, 先 means first. 上去 means get on the car. 下去 means get off the car. So you first get on the car. 不告诉你们. 告诉 means tell. 不告诉 don't tell. 你们 you, don't tell you. 我们一起看电影. 我们 we, 一起 together, we together can watch 电影 movie. We watch movie together. Okay guys, next video we will start from this sentence. I hope you like my videos. If you have any opinion and if you don't agree any translation, you can write on the comment section and we will discuss there. Okay, see you, bye bye.